Well, as you know, things are getting very, very busy in the tropics. We've been talking about this for days, and we've got the two systems that we're really concentrating on right now. And you can see this is Gaston, and Gaston became a tropical storm overnight and into the early morning hours this morning, and it is very quickly on its way to becoming our next hurricane. So we're watching Gaston. You can see this is the direction that it's going to be taking, and it is not going to be a problem for Florida. However, we are still looking at this system right here, and this is just a disturbance, and we're going to concentrate on it because this is the one that is showing some signs of having a problem for Florida, and we still don't know exactly what it's going to do or how well it's going to hold together. Earlier today it had a 60% chance of forming. Now we're looking at a 50% chance, so there's some question about what's going to happen. But this is Tropical Storm Gaston. We'll take a look at this first, and this system is moving now towards the west-northwest very rapidly, and it is also with winds of 65 miles per hour. Again, it is not going to be a problem for Florida, but it is probably going to become our next hurricane sometime tomorrow, so we'll be watching that. In the meantime, this is the system that we've been watching, and these are now this is the new spaghetti plot, and you can see that it's now moved a little bit farther to the north, so it started shifting around a little bit more, so this is good news. And you can see that this is the track it's expected to take. This is where it is right now, and it's not showing a whole lot of signs of development at this point. And as I mentioned, the National Hurricane Center has actually downgraded the chance probability now to a 50% chance of development rather than a 60% chance, which it had earlier today. So we're going to continue to watch this system and see what it's going to do, because that is a big question mark right now. But what we do know is that it's hot outside. There isn't any rain really to speak of. Most of the showers have been dissipating as they move out into the Gulf of Mexico. You can see this is true down to the south. Others are beginning to develop, though, out in the Atlantic, and there's a better chance for rain a little bit later on today with a 30% chance, but so far nothing's actually developed onshore. So right now we're looking at temperature 94. It's already 94, and it's not even 1 o'clock yet. 52% humidity. The winds are calm right now, and around the state we're looking at temperatures mostly in the 90s. Look at this. Doesn't matter where you go, you're looking at a lot of 90s out there. For our area, we're looking at the temperatures here in Manatee and Sarasota County down through Charlotte County, mostly in the 90s, a little cooler at the beaches. They're getting the benefit of a sea breeze there. And look at the feels like temperatures. Right here in Sarasota at the airport, 104 degrees is what it feels like. It feels as though it's 99 in Bradenton, and then east of I-75 it feels as though it's 100 degrees. Just make sure you drink a lot of water and you just stay as well hydrated as you can throughout the day, because it is awfully hot. And until the rains come, it really isn't going to be cooling us off very much. So that high pressure system moves on off towards the north, and that is going to allow for some more of this rain to move on through. And over the next couple of days, we are going to see better chances for rain. So the rain chances will increase beginning today through tomorrow and on into the end of the week. And we've got hot temperatures, as you've already seen, and also, as we've noted, the tropics are very, very busy, so we'll be keeping our eyes on that as well. If you're heading out to the beach today, the winds are going to be shifting around towards the northwest during the afternoon hours. Seas 1 to 2 feet with a light chop out on the bay. The Gulf water temperature is 87. The air temperature 88 degrees, so you can cool off if you go there, but it's going to be tough throughout the day. We're expected to climb up to a high of 95 degrees today, and then over the next several days we keep those the temperatures coming down as the rain chances go up.